One of the initiatives that Jefferson has always had is to have a global presence and to make sure that our students not only understand what's going on here in Philadelphia, here in the United States, but also what's going on in healthcare across the world. So one of our initiatives was to start having our clinical in Rome, embedding ourselves into the healthcare system and learning how to provide care there.
The biggest thing that stuck out to me so far was the incredible teamwork that they have.
They take more breaks and they're calm, and I feel like it leads to less mistakes and better patient care.
They also work together as a team very well, so when they have an admission, like everyone on the left side of the bed versus the right side of the bed has specific roles.
Even though I wasn't able to necessarily communicate with everyone perfectly, it was really nice to even be able to just sit next to them and hold their hand and watch them eat their noodle bundle of joy.
I just think that I have such a better view on patients and how to take care of patients, especially patients that come from different cultures than me.
Some skills that I'm taking back with me is definitely adapting to new equipment, new environments, new people, new language. Everyone knows about each other's patients. They don't hesitate. They don't even ask each other. Someone will just come in and help.
So I'm really inspired by how much time and energy they give their patients.
My favorite moment thus far is being able to settle a patient in the neuro ICU.
My most favorite times were when I get to meet these very nice nurses who were open to talk to me and answer my questions and get to know them a little more. So I really enjoy that part most.
Everyone we've met and the acceptance that everyone here working at Gemelli has given to us to help translate for us, teach us, and show us all the things they do here.
Thank you to all of the nurses and everyone here at this hospital for being so welcoming and for allowing us to join you and learn from you.
It's amazing. It's so amazing. And then they get to see Rome, and we did food tours. We went into a cooking class this year and we cooked with a nonna. It's those kinds of things that really make the trip even more wonderful.